Nice open floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 CG and over 1,300 square feet of living space. Located in the community of Deer Park, one of Lutz's most popular communities. Deer Park features a community park and playground and is close to shopping, main roadways, USF College and medical centers. There are plant shelves, vaulted ceilings and laminate in the family room/dining room and tile in the eat-in kitchen. The kitchen all appliances stay range, dishwasher and microwave. There is breakfast bar for those quick snacks. The combo dining room and open family room are great for large gatherings. The family room is adjacent to the kitchen and has sliders out to the screened patio and open deck and fenced yard. The split bedroom layout offers wonderful privacy. Laundry area includes the washer and dryer. No CDD Low HOA fees. This home has an amazing location for you to go to anywhere in Tampa Bay area. Home is sold as is with right to inspect.